Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wireless doorbells that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish doorbell for your home or office, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the generic self-powered wireless doorbell. This product stands out due to its innovative self-powered technology, meaning you'll never need to replace a battery or worry about wiring. Every press of the transmitter generates the necessary energy, making it a hassle-free choice for hard-to-reach areas like gates or barns. Additionally, its IP66 waterproof rating ensures reliability in extreme weather conditions, from blizzards to desert heat, making it a great option for outdoor use. However, its range is slightly lower at 500 feet, compared to other models on this list. In terms of design, the generic doorbell is modern and sleek, with a black finish that complements most home aesthetics. It offers 38 chimes and adjustable volume levels, with LED flashes for hearing-impaired users. While the range is shorter, the product compensates with durability and energy efficiency. Keep in mind that mounting the transmitter on metal surfaces may interfere with the signal, so careful placement is required. Overall, this doorbell is ideal for users who prioritize eco-friendly features and durability in tough environments. The downside is its lower range and slightly limited customization options compared to higher-ranked models. If you're looking for a sustainable solution, this doorbell is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Fisen wireless doorbell, the most affordable option on our list. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, this doorbell offers impressive features such as a 1,000-foot range, IP55 waterproof rating, and 32 ringtones with 5 adjustable volume levels, including a mute mode. It's a great entry-level choice for small apartments, classrooms, or offices. And its LED flash notification makes it suitable for elderly or hearing-impaired users. The design is simple yet functional, with a white finish and modern aesthetics. Installation is effortless, as the package includes adhesive tape and screws. While it doesn't have the advanced features found in premium models, it delivers reliable performance for its price point. One notable limitation is the lower sound quality and volume compared to higher-end options, which might not be ideal for larger spaces. In summary, the Fisen wireless doorbell is perfect for anyone on a tight budget looking for a dependable solution. It's easy to install, highly affordable, and gets the job done. However, if you need premium features or louder sound output, you may want to consider other options on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the Luam wireless doorbell. At just $9.99, this model delivers excellent value with its 1,000 feet range and modern design. It offers 52 ringtones and 5 adjustable volume levels, including a mute mode, letting you customize it to suit your preferences. The LED strobe alerts add a nice touch for visual notifications, making it suitable for homes, offices, or even classrooms. The lightweight design is both sleek and practical, featuring illuminated halo lights on the receiver for added visibility. Installation is quick and straightforward, with options for adhesive tape or screws. What sets the Luam apart is its versatility. You can even use it creatively as a training assistant for pets. However, while it offers solid performance, the sound output isn't as loud or clear as higher-ranked models, and the build quality feels slightly less robust. Overall, the Luam wireless doorbell is a versatile and affordable choice for those who want a reliable device with multiple uses. It's perfect for smaller spaces, and anyone looking for a decorative yet functional doorbell. While it doesn't have the premium finish of higher-end options, it's a fantastic mid-range pick for everyday needs. At number 2, we have the Secrui wireless doorbell with 2 plug-in receivers and a waterproof push button. Priced at $19.99, this is the premium option on our list, offering over 1,000 feet of coverage and 52 chimes to choose from. Its 110 decibel sound output ensures you'll never miss a visitor, even in larger homes or offices. The colorful LED flash provides visual alerts, making it accessible for the hearing impaired. The design is sleek and modern with a black finish, and setup is incredibly easy. Just plug the receivers into a socket and mount the transmitter. The weather-resistant build, with an IP55 waterproof rating ensures durability, even in harsh conditions. What sets this model apart is its versatility. You can configure it with multiple receivers and buttons to suit your specific needs. While this doorbell delivers top-tier performance and build quality, it comes at a higher price point. If you're looking for a feature-packed solution that combines style, durability, and ease of use, the Secrui wireless doorbell is a fantastic choice. However, if you're on a budget, you may want to consider less expensive options on this list. Finally, at the top of our list is the Secri wireless doorbell M520 Plus F55. Priced at $17.99, this model strikes the perfect balance between affordability and premium features. With a 1,000-foot range, 58 chimes, and 5 adjustable volume levels, it offers incredible customization to suit any home or office setup. The memory function ensures your selected settings remain intact even after a power outage, saving you the hassle of reconfiguration. The design is both elegant and functional, with a black ABS material finish that complements modern interiors. Installation is a breeze. Just plug in the receiver and mount the transmitter using adhesive tape or screws. Its IP55 waterproof rating and wide temperature tolerance, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, make it ideal for outdoor use as well. The optimized circuit design ensures energy efficiency, and the included CR2032 battery lasts up to 3 years. This Secri model is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking reliability, performance, and style in a wireless doorbell. It's user-friendly, durable, and packed with features, making it suitable for everything from family homes to office spaces. While it's slightly more expensive than budget options, the value it offers is unparalleled. This is hands down the best wireless doorbell on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.